Welcome students to the quick solution of All India Caste Test Series Medical 2020 for TYM. This is test number 2, code C and D for chemistry conducted on 29th of November 2020. So let's start with the first question, students. Let's read the question. Iron of largest size among the following is. Students, in this question we are given with isoelectronic species, and we all know that for isoelectronic species, as the atomic number increases, the ionic size decreases. Therefore, the largest size among the following N3 minus. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question. Let's read the question. An atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s1. You will place it in which group of modern periodic table? So student, first of all we have to analyze that the element which is represented by this configuration belongs to D block. And for D block, the group number is identified by adding the number of electrons present in the valence S subshell and D subshell. So here it is 5 plus 1, which is equals to 6. That means the group number is 6. So the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, students. Let's read it. Element with lowest negative electron gain enthalpy is. Student, for this question we need to know that as we move left to right in a modern periodic table, the value of negative gain electron enthalpy increases. And as we move top to bottom in a group, the value of negative electron gain enthalpy decreases. Therefore, here the correct order of electron gain enthalpy is highest is for fluorine, then it is for sulfur, then for oxygen, and then for carbon. That means the lowest negative electron gain enthalpy is of carbon. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 50. Let's read it. Most acidic oxide among the following is. Student, for this question, first of all, we need to know that generally metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. As the non-metallic character increases, the acidity of their oxides also increases. So among the given oxides, the oxide which is given in option number 4, that is Cl2O7, is most acidic. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question. Let's read the question, students. Amongst the elements with following electronic configuration, which one of them may have the highest ionization energy? So student, let's read the options. Number 1, we are given with Ne3s2, then we have Ne3s2 3p2, then we have 3s2 3p3, and then we have Ne3s2 3p5. So it is very clear that all the given elements belongs to third period. And as we move left to right in a period, the ionization enthalpy increases. Therefore, the last element which represents chlorine, because this belongs to group 17. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question, students.